So today we're going to go in on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 houses. And we're going to specifically go down on my houses because I'm the only one here. And I want to know about my houses. And I didn't study them. So you loving people get to experience me learning about houses with you. And I'm going to associate, just like yesterday, my birth signs with my houses. If I feel it's relevant. If I don't feel it's relevant, this time I'm going to skip them. But yeah, I'll still do the descriptions on each house. Okay? So here we go. So, 7th house. My 7th house. First, the planet in the 7th house is Libra. Okay? So Libra owns 7s. Okay? My 7th house is Sagittarius. And I also have Sagittarius in my Saturn. So I already spoke about this in another video. My work has to do with relationships. Eventually something's going to happen with relationships and work for me, and that's going to make my finances go up, and I'm going to be a better person, and that's going to make me super happy, and I'm going to stay lit forever. Anyways, that's never here or there. 7th house ruled by Libra. Libra is the ruler of the 7th house. Remember that. Libra is the ruler of the 7th house. The reason why I say remember that is because Libra is a scale. 7th house is in the middle, no? Libra, okay? So that's awesome. I hope you guys can hold on to that. That's a good one. Okay. And I also remember the 1st house because it's the rising sign. And that's a big 3. Sun, moon, and rising are the big 3. So that one's easy to remember too. But you don't have to remember that. I don't care if you remember that. But remember mine. 7th house, Libra, scales. Okay. My first video was ending on 6. This is 7, beginning. Balance. Love you guys. Next is 2nd house, which is the 8th house, which is ruled by Scorpio. Scorpios are ruled by 8. I don't know why, but they are. Okay. The devil is ruled by 8 too, apparently, somehow. I'm not sure how, because 666 is supposed to be the devil's number, but you never know what the hell is going on, man. God knows. I don't know. I'm not gonna claim to know shit. 8 is Scorpio though. And my 8th house is in Capricorn. And I have my Neptune in Capricorn. So if my Neptune's in Capricorn and Scorpio rules my 8th house, which is also in Capricorn, then that probably means to understand spirituality better, I probably need to work really hard, right? Like super duper hard. And I need to go deep. So it's probably gonna be me going super hard with Neptune. So probably a lot of meditation, a lot of ayahuasca retreats, a lot of shroom retreats and stuff like that to get me spiritually activated to where I'm super out there, like ready, you know? Or maybe it'll take me meditating for 12 hours one day, just working up to that effort of being able to meditate for that long. Could be either. Okay, next we have 9th house. I got Aquarius in my 9th house, but 9th house is ruled by Sagittarius. Sagittarius rules the 9th house. Okay? So if Sagittarius rules the 9th house, then that means that 9th house energy is going to have to do with, 9th house energy is going to have to do with wanting to experience new things, exploding out into the world and becoming something, and then exploding out into the world and becoming something else, and just doing that, you know? Just constantly rebirthing, kind of explosive. That's how Sagittarius energy is. And my Aquarius is in Sagittarius, so I like to explode into new ideas with new people. And the people that I explode with those ideas can grow something beautiful, or they can fade away and just decay away, you know? So hopefully this environment is gonna have me in a good situation where I won't explode in a bad way. Come on guys, ask me questions, I love you. Oh my god. No, seriously though, I'm just here to talk about myself and about houses, because they're really important. And if you learn about them, then you can become a better person, and you can become more strong, and you can be a better leader. Okay. Next, we have Pisces. I have in my 10th house, I have Pisces, and 10th house energy is ruled by Capricorn. So 10th house energy is all about working really hard, okay? Like Saturn energy, right? Work really hard, okay? My Pisces is in there, and my Saturn, and we don't have to go there, but my Pisces in my 10th house, okay? So that means that I work spiritually, really hard through spirituality. So here I am, guys. If this isn't right for me, I don't know what will be. But I'm here trying my best to understand myself, and that's life's goal anyway. So as long as I'm here trying to understand myself, that's all life wants for me. So yeah, that's it. That's it. It's really that simple, and that's the blessing. All life wants from us is for us to try our best, and it's to keep moving forward. KMF, right? KMF. Okay. Next planet's ruled by Aquarius. Next houses are ruled by Aquarius. In the 11th house, okay? So Aquarius in the 11th house. Aquarians are communicative. They hold everything together. Human existence is held together by Aquarian energy. My 11th house has Aries in it. So my world is held together by me pushing myself out and being a very motivated being. Excited, energetic, okay? Mars energy is in Aries also, so I'm just flowing energy. Here I am, I love you, here I am, there's nothing that can stop me, here I am, I love you, here I am kind of shit, you know? That's it, it's simplistic. Simplicity is the magic of life. You get simplicity correct, and then everything becomes nothing, and you just flow. You just flow, that's life. That's how it can be. You stay in that river of flow, and you just swim with it. Most people swim against it because they have to do things specifically some other person's opinion's way, right? But if you just break that flow, and then you create your flow, and you stay with it, you're fine for the rest of your life. Just stay with your flow. Okay? That's all you gotta do. Stay with your flow, and then God, more power to you, because a lot of people need that fire. So please keep it up, man. And I'm fighting for you. I'll be there with you every step of the way, man. Every step. Period. No matter what, I'm always gonna be there. Be it in spirit or in mind. Okay. Next, we have last house, 12th house. My 12th house is in Taurus. 12th house is ruled by Pisces. Okay, my Neptune is in Capricorn. My 12th house is in Taurus. 12th house is ruled by Pisces. So, what do Capricorn and Taurus do really well? They stay focused. They stay structured. So as long as I stay in my body, and I stay in my mind, and I stay focused, I'm gonna be fine, okay? You guys are all beautiful people. You guys are all gonna be fine too. Just believe that. Okay, guys, if you need help with astrology, just ask me, okay? And with loving light, blessings, and thank you.